Welcome our next competitor. Oh, just in case you're wondering, there are the answers to the previous 3 questions. And now it is my pleasure to introduce our next competitor, Amanda Wise, cracking the code, the HPV-67 Enigma. Over to you, Amanda.
Hi, everyone. Tonight, I'm asking you to slip on a trench coat and grab a magnifying glass because we are becoming detectives. Together, we're investigating the virus seen on your screen, human papillomavirus, or HPV, specifically HPV-67. Due to seasonal flus and COVID-19, many of us are aware of the existence of viruses. But as a refresher, a virus is a non-living organism that needs a host, in this case, a human, to survive. HPV is a virus that infects the throat, the cervix, and other tissue. In most cases, a person's immune system can get rid of HPV, but sometimes HPV will persist. And in the worst cases, HPV can cause cancer. In the US, approximately 45,000 HPV-related cancers are diagnosed each year. Interestingly, 5 out of 6 of HPV-67's closest relatives cause cancer, but HPV-67 almost never causes cancer. Our goal is to suss out what could set HPV-67 apart from its cancer-causing cousins. To do this, the National Cancer Institute has allowed me to analyze the DNA of the largest set of HPV-67 samples in the world. Looking at DNA is like reading a code made up of 4 letters, A, T, C, and G. And combined, the codes will make products that a virus needs to survive and cause cancer. Early results are showing changes in the section of HPV-67's DNA that aids in cancer onset. This is important because we know the DNA of cancer-causing HPVs must remain unchanged in that same section for cancer to persist. This means HPV-67 may have undergone changes that cancerous HPVs have not. We can add this information to our case file. Next, we are considering who is becoming affected with HPV-67. We know that HPV and human beings evolved and changed together. This makes sense because HPV needs a person to survive. This information could give clues to infection outcome. Data suggest that if an individual's race or ethnicity matches the place in the world where the infecting HPV originated, it changes the way the HPV interacts with the human body. We are looking into that now, and this will be another clue for our case. Future research will focus on cataloging more changes in HPV-67's DNA, and each day we are closer to understanding what sets this virus apart from cancerous HPV. Now, we can hang up our trench coats, put down our magnifying glasses, and bask in the knowledge that we are on our way to cracking the code. Thank you.